Welcome, Annie Collins for Rosie Studios. I'm here happy to announce that I will be designing for Rosie Studios as part of their Creative Club Designers. I received the Bayfair collection. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you of the collection. I do not have the entire collection, just some. I got to choose a few items I would like to work with. So I want to say that the Bayfair collection has 6x6 and 12x12 sizes. So they're perfect for scrapbooking and card making. This is the designer paper pad, and it's 6x6, and you have 40 sheets, 20 designs, and 6 foiled papers throughout the collection. They're single-sided, nice weight. This first paper is blue with little white dragonflies. This has got like floral packets. This is little vase. Oops, I missed one. This one is polka dots, and it has the foil. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. And like I said, little vase. This is all has verbiage on it, and has like words like love, adore, beautiful, in a soft pink. This is navy with little white beach chairs. This is a floral and has a faint in the background plaid. It's really pretty. It gives you nice tones. Tone on tone blue floral. This has got sailboat on a pink background. The waves are just a shade darker pink. This is pink and white polka dot. This is got birds, and then here's some more of that foil, and you see those little dots. Hopefully my camera picked up on that. This is a geometric blue on white. So again, floral with some dashed plaid in the background. It's like a dash rather than a solid. Green and white stripe. This beautiful navy with florals on it, perfect for cutting them apart to add dimension. White on pink stripe, green on green floral. This is a geometric foil, and it's gold foil throughout. And then this is a pink on pink floral, and it repeats itself. I think I showed you all of them. So that was the 6x6 designer paper. Then they have dragonflies. Dragonflies are shown throughout the Bayfair collection. And these are acetate dimensional dragonflies with some gold foiling on them. These are the stickers. These are the cardstock stickers. And they have wonderful sentiments on here. Some of them are foiled, not all of them. Like Hello Sunshine is foiled. You have some floral clusters on here, some hearts. Just beautiful. And on the other side, you get 2 sheets in here, by the way. On the other side, you have that big hello, the big today. You have those circle shapes. Some have floral, some have like seashells, and then words like love this day, sending good thoughts. You have other little pieces here. You have these 3 little strips that have words, 2 little stamps, some variety of banners that coordinate beautifully. Again, those dragonflies stuck in there, and 2 banners that say friend and enjoy. This stamp set is from Nature's Gift. It's not from the Bayfair collection, it's from another collection, but I thought the stamp with the florals went beautiful with this collection. These dies are not from this collection, but Rosie Studio carries mini dies. I brought out the mini bird and the butterfly, and I thought they would work beautifully with this collection. So I will be creating some cards with these, and I'll be sharing them here on YouTube and on all my social media. Like I said, I'll be designing for Rosie Studio under their Creative Club. Thank you for being here.